Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled on a quarter-acre lot in one of Mandeville's most sought-after neighborhoods, known as Hanbury. This spacious 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home offers both generous living space and exceptional convenience. Ideally situated close to top schools, shopping, restaurants, and essential amenities. This property delivers the perfect blend of comfort and the relaxed lifestyle that the cool Mandeville Hills are famous for. Thoughtfully updated and well built, this home presents a rare opportunity for families, investors, or anyone looking for a spacious property full of character. Inside, you will find expansive living and dining areas, a large kitchen with ample storage, and 5 comfortable bedrooms, ideal for accommodating a growing family, hosting guests, or creating a home office. With a land size of 0.26 acres, the fruit-filled backyard and the lush front lawn provide plenty of space for entertaining, children's play, or simply relaxing and enjoying the refreshing Mandeville breeze. Don't miss out on this exceptional opportunity. With its solid construction and timeless features, this home is ready for you to personalize and make your own. Contact your realtor today to schedule a viewing and secure this charming Mandeville property. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 55 million, US 348.6 thousand, Canadian 499,000 or 270.9 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.